Hello and welcome to TekBoost TV. Today, I'm going to show you how to install video cards into an HP Z8 G4 Workstation. Before beginning, we recommend checking with the manufacturer and making sure the latest firmware is installed. For this installation, you will not need any tools. The video cards listed on the screen have been tested and are confirmed to work in the Z8 G4 Workstation. With the 1125 watt power supply, certain system configurations can support up to 4 75 watt cards, up to 3 180 watt cards, or up to 2 250 watt cards. With the 1450 watt power supply, certain configurations can support up to 4 75 watt cards, up to 3 180 watt cards, or up to 3 250 watt cards. Please note that without a second processor, the white PCIe slots will not be active. To begin, ensure your computer is powered off and the power cord is unplugged. Next, press and hold the power button until the light is completely shut off to ensure there is no residual power remaining on the motherboard. To open the system, lift the latch on the side panel and lift to remove. Next, lift the cover to reveal the PCIe slots. You can now install the video card. Identify the PCIe slot you wish to use, remove the slot cover, and press the card firmly down to ensure a proper install. Larger video cards may require power. The Z8 G4 Workstation has 4 6-pin power cables that can easily be converted to 8-pin. Connect up to 2 power cords to the video card as needed. Replace the cover, ensuring that the blue tab snaps firmly in place. Lastly, reattach the side panel. Please check out our how-to videos covering processor, RAM, hard drive, and video card installations, as well as general product overviews for this and other systems. If you have found this helpful, please hit the like and subscribe buttons below. We welcome suggestions on how to make these more useful, so please don't be shy requesting more content.